Hi guys.
Can you believe it? It has been one whole year since we launched Cruise Boys.
Yeah, and what an amazing year it's been. We've had some amazing experiences, and we've had the opportunity to meet some amazing people. We've met some of you, and we've also had some really just experiences that I think that we would never have imagined that we'd have.
We've also had a few experiences I'd quite like to forget. Tristan the human pincushion.
Yeah.
Can we just never talk about that again, actually?
And also, I mean, the cruising community has been an amazing community, and it's very supportive, and we just want to thank you all from the bottom of our heart as well.
Now, here's to many more adventures, clear skies and bright horizons.
And for those of you who follow us on social media,
and if you don't, why not?
Make sure that you subscribe, hit that like button and the notification so that you can keep up to date with everything that we're doing.
And you don't miss the important announcements like this week's one.
Exactly. So this week probably wasn't the best week for us here at Cruise Boys HQ. And that is because one of our most anticipated cruises, the NCL Prima cruise to the Norwegian Fjords and Iceland, was unfortunately cancelled.
But all is not lost. We have been busily working away in the background this week with our absolutely fantastic travel agent, Emma Otter from Travel Counsellors. This was one time I am so grateful we have booked with the travel agent.
Yeah.
We would have been lost without her this week. We have been working on some amazing options, and we cannot thank her enough for coming up with and being so patient with us, because we can be a little bit...
demanding. No.
No, not demanding. I was going to say quite the opposite. We can be quite indecisive.
Indecisive. Yeah, that's probably the best way to put it.
Indecisive. Certainly can be indecisive. Stay tuned to find out what our new plans are. You will not want to miss this. Here at Cruise Boys, we don't like to focus on the negatives. So, before we reveal our exciting news...
Yeah, I think that we should remember all the amazing cruises that we've done this year to date in 2022.
And what a year it's been so far. We kicked off 2022 in absolute regal style on a Cunard cruise with the Queen Mary 2.
Yeah, so for those of you that haven't actually seen our review or our videos, we've got them posted up on our channel.
Again, why not?
Why not? Yeah. But it was first time on Cunard for us. We had some kind of expectations about Cunard, what Cunard would be like, and I think some of them were right, some were a bit wrong. But to be quite honest,
I don't think we could have been more wrong about Cunard. Actually, I think we did love it. It was a fantastic time. We really enjoyed it. There were some niggles on the ship. I think she needs some TLC. We've said that before. I will still say it. Cunard, please give us some love.
Yeah, but to be quite honest, the actual Cunard service and Cunard as a line was really surprised us. We didn't think we would be sort of those types of people that go back to Cunard, but after doing that voyage, doing that sort of voyage to Hamburg, I think we would definitely go back and do Cunard again.
Yeah, definitely interested in the Queen Anne. Saw her launch today. We were back barely 2 days?
Yeah, barely 2 days, and we were back on the MSC Grandiosa for a Western Med cruise, and this time we took some first time cruisers with us.
We did. What a time that was.
The cruise itself was pretty good. What was really surprising is that when we did go back on the ship, we had a lot of people that recognised us from the crew, and that just felt really nice because it felt like they knew who we were or they remembered us, whether we're infamous or whether they just remember us just because we're nice. I don't know, but it was really good.
I'm not sure if it's a good thing or a bad thing that we keep getting recognised by crew on these ships.
Means we're cruising too much. No, you can never cruise too much.
Never. Then we double dipped and took the Valiant Ladies Mermaiden cruise.
What a cruise that was.
I'm still recovering.
Not just recovering, I can't even remember. That was the time where we went 2 days without sleep, and literally we didn't sleep for a night. It was like a full-on party. Unfortunately, a few of us came off with a bit of COVID, but I mean, it's to be expected. So
thankfully, because we were all vaccinated, those that did catch it did recover. So
Yeah,
it was good.
exactly. But the actual experience on Valiant Lady was really good. I mean, we'd been on Scarlet Lady. Valiant Lady just really topped it off for us. It was really good. So, for our Easter trip this year, we headed back and tried the Costa Toscana. And this is the second Costa cruise that we took.
Yeah, did we make a mistake going back or didn't we? Well, if you haven't found it yet, go check out our video above and you can find out exactly what we thought of her.
And check out our vlog series as well, because there's lots of fun to be had there as well.
Oh yes. Wow. We have had such a jam-packed year already.
Hang on. Don't forget, in a couple of days, we're off again.
Oh yeah, we're off on Morella Discovery 2 for the Noughties versus 90s. Now that, I think, is going to be a lot of fun.
That is really going to be a lot of fun. So Emma from Emma Cruises is doing a Brave the Shave before she leaves. She'll go to the airport and then we'll go on the Morella cruise together. And they've got really good acts. I think they've got like Vanga Boys. They've got, I think, a tribute band to Girls Aloud, which is called Gals Aloud, and I think it's some of the drag queens from...
Yeah, that's a drag show.
Yeah, it is. Yes, it's from RuPaul's Drag Race UK, so that will be actually quite exciting.
Yeah, and although the weather doesn't look exactly the best, I think it'll still be a lot of fun.
And I think with all the dress up, because we've had to go out and buy a few costumes, which are a bit sort of 90s, all noughties theme.
We're not going to let anything go on that yet. You have to watch our videos to find out more. But I do have to say, I am also excited to try another cruise line.
Yeah,
absolutely. New cruise line for us, Morella, we have not done before. So this will be really interesting to see. I know a lot of people seem to think we like the finer things, and yes, Josh does. But we do also quite like a burger and chips sometimes, and I'm quite excited to try Morella and see another British cruise line, actually. We've done P&O. We enjoyed P&O.
Yep.
But let's see what Morella's got in store for us. Although, probably not exactly the 100% Morella experience, but... it'll be fun all the same. It'll be fun
all the same, yeah. So coming up also, we have got the beautiful Sky Princess in June, and we're going on there with a couple of other vloggers from Canada, the States, and here in the UK.
Yeah, back to where it all started in the Norwegian Fjords. I cannot wait to be back there. They were...
stunning, absolutely stunning.
So. Still, like, wow. Every time I see the pictures, when I'm scrolling through my phone, I see the pictures, I'm just like, oh, take me back there, the waterfalls. Oh, that's amazing.
And also on Sky Princess as well. So we have already done sort of a seacation on there. So it'll be really good to get on there for a full 7-night cruise to see exactly what Sky Princess has to offer.
Yeah, I think Princess Cruises as well. It's nice to see. Those short cruises never give you a true taste for the cruise line. So there's some, and we've upgraded this time. We're in a
mini suite, I think.
Yeah, I don't think they have a fancy name for it. It's mini suite.
Mini suite.
But yeah, and I'm looking forward to that. Although I'm not one for a bath. He is, so you might enjoy the bath, but I'll enjoy the bigger balcony and the bigger sofa. Now, before we get on to our next cruises for the summer, a quick word from our sponsor.
Tired of never finding the fragrance that's just right for you? Shh. Scent de la Pen by Bunny. Infused with all natural fragrances, including bergamot, child-style vomit, covered with a hint of the ocean. Scent de la Pen. When only the scent of a child's toy is enough.
And then, of course, to top off the summer this year, we're going on the magnificent NCL. No, we're not going on Prima because we got it because it's cancelled. So what are we doing?
No, Justin. Like all bad situations, we've flipped it about, switched it around, and changed it up a bit. And we're actually going to be going on Celebrity Beyond. I know, this is interesting. We've not been on Celebrity before. This is a cruise around from Rome.
Yeah.
Then around the Greek islands. It's going to be 10 days. Mm-hmm. We're going to be going to Santorini, to Rhodes, to Mykonos, to Athens, to several other places in Greece that I forget now. And then all the way back to Rome again. So 2 sea days on this cruise, which is going to be fantastic for exploring the ship, seeing what she's got to offer.
And although we're not going to Iceland, which is, ding ding ding, a bucket list place for us, we are going to the Greek islands, and part of the Greek islands which we haven't been to before, so I think it's a really, really good itinerary.
And I think Santorini is definitely a tick a bucket list
Absolutely.
location too. So
Yeah.
we've exchanged one bucket list for another, and we will get to Iceland one day, I am certain of it.
Yeah, the one thing I was thinking is that we're going up in the summer this year up to Iceland, that we wouldn't have a nice warm hot summer sort of holiday, so at least this gives us the opportunity to have that.
We'll definitely have a hot summer holiday this time.
Yeah, definitely. And then what's happening then, because NCL Prima, I mean,
Yeah,
we've always
so
wanted to try it, so what are we going to do?
We did want to go on the Prima. We were so excited about that. We booked it literally as soon as they came out. But we were a bit concerned. We wanted to really make sure that we could get on her. So actually what we've said is we're not going to get on her. We're going to flip around like we said. And next year we shall be going on the NCL Viva.
Yeah, so that will be the new flagship for NCL as well. So, same ship, same. I think it's the same class, pretty much the same. So
Yeah, they're very similar ships, really pretty much identical. However, again, really exciting itinerary
for that as well. Yeah,
We are again going out of Rome. I think we have some fascination with Rome. It used to be Barcelona,
at the moment, now it's Rome.
And we will be heading then around parts of the Med that we love. So Sicily and Palermo. We'll be going to.
We're going back to Malta.
Malta, we love Malta, especially in the summer.
Yep.
And then we're also going to some new ports in Sicily, so Syracuse.
Yep.
I hope I said that right. And then we're heading up and over to
Croatia.
Corfu. Well, we're going to Corfu first,
yep.
which we've been to the Ionian Islands and we love the Ionian Islands. So going to Corfu, where we haven't been to that actual island before, will be fantastic. And then, as you said, we are going up to Croatia, so to Dubrovnik, Split, and
then
several other places, and then finishing off in Trieste. So, which will be really interesting actually, because a lot of them finish in Venice, and this is finishing in Trieste, which will be interesting to see a totally different area of Italy that we've just never been to before. So.
And with NCL, they were really good. They gave us some future cruise credit, I think 25% off. And then what else did we get? We got the same kind of class of balcony we had before, which was like a family balcony. So not all's lost, is it really?
Yeah, they've definitely looked after us well and made sure that, although it is really disappointing we will not be on NCL Prima, there will be other times, I'm sure, and we'll, I'm sure, find another time. And we will at least still get to experience that amazing class because they look fantastic.
And now a quick word from Safety Officer Josh.
Safety first.
This is Safety Officer Josh here. Never sit on railings in case you fall.
So we just want to take this opportunity to again thank all of our subscribers and all of you out there that watch our videos. We cannot thank you enough for all your support for this past year, and we just hope that you will continue on this amazing journey with us.
Yeah, absolutely. And look, we've met some of you out there as well. We've had some great conversations. We're all part of a wider community as well, and the support's been great, as I said before. So yeah, please, if you do see us around, come up and say hi. Don't be afraid. And we look forward to seeing you all in the future.
See you all soon.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, like, comment and share.